Learn English with Emma Watson.
Appreciate
It was
that.
so sweet. But then I feel like the show had a great vibe because everyone was in hysterics.
Yeah.
Everyone was in hysterics. Means that everyone was laughing uncontrollably.
There is suddenly this bloody influx.
Influx means a large arrival or flow of people, things, or resources into a place.
Of subliminal messaging.
Subliminal means hidden messages or signals that you don't consciously notice, but can still influence you.
You're still figuring things out.
Figuring things out means trying to understand or solve something that is confusing or unclear.
So I was like, why does everyone make such a big fuss about this?
Fuss means unnecessary or excessive concern, excitement, or activity over something.
I seem to be navigating it.
Seem to be navigating means appearing to be managing a situation.
Why somebody else would have enjoyed and wanted this aspect of it more.
Aspect means a particular part or feature of something.
We want to try and galvanize as many men and boys as possible to be advocates for change.
Galvanize means to inspire or motivate men and boys to take action.
Even if it's a placebo, it's working on me.
A placebo is a fake treatment that looks real but doesn't have any actual medicine in it.
It was the most surreal thing I've ever seen.
Surreal means strange or like a dream.
I think it's like quintessentially British.
Quintessentially means representing the most perfect example of something.
I was confused being called bossy.
Bossy means being overly controlling or giving orders in a domineering way.
I decided that I was a feminist.
A feminist is someone who believes in and supports equal rights for women and men.
I think I had to find a way to empathize. I had to find a way to understand.
To empathize means to understand and share the feelings of another person.
The films that are nominated tonight are ambitious, exciting, groundbreaking, inspiring.
Ambitious means aiming for a high goal or challenging something significant. Exciting means causing strong feelings of enthusiasm or eagerness. Groundbreaking means introducing new ideas or methods, or also can be said as innovative.
Comment below with a sentence about what you've learned.
And that was such a revelation, and it made me feel so great about my job.
Revelation means a sudden and impactful realization that gave you a deep sense of understanding. An example, you can express it in a sentence as, "It was a revelation that changed how I saw everything and made me feel amazing."
Comment below with a sentence about what you've learned.
That would be seriously creepy. I
Yeah.
don't think I would let them have it.
Creepy means causing an unpleasant feeling of fear or unease.
I hate my English accent because it sounds so kind of like pretentious.
Pretentious means trying to seem more important or cultured than you are.
I think it's like quintessentially British.
Yes.
Very, very.
Quintessentially means representing the most perfect example of something.
But they are the inadvertent feminists who are changing the world today.
Inadvertent means unintentional or accidental.
I would want her to know that she is a force to be reckoned with.
Reckon means to think, believe, or consider something. For example, I reckon it'll rain later, so we should take an umbrella.
It was the most surreal thing I've ever seen.
Surreal means strange or like a dream.
God, I feel so stressed and anxious.
Anxious means feeling worried, nervous, or uneasy about something.
I just used to have such chubby cheeks and such like a high voice and a big hair and yeah.
Chubby means that the cheeks are slightly plump or fuller than average.